arena's defenses are slipshod at best. Infiltration will be a cinch.
Then it's the madness of King Crush. Heads up. Novelty hat at 6 o'clock.
Sorry, no outside beverages.
Aw, man, this hat is a total babe magnet.
I don't make the rules, sir. I just beat up the people who don't follow.
Color me frustrated.
Wow, corn dog. Yum. Madam?
Deploy toilet plunger. Coat hangers, go.
Deja vu.
Another corn dog? Oh, I believe it.
I spy a hatch. Bingo.
And release. This is gonna be... At least we didn't land in the garbage.
No corn dog.